Welcome back, guys. So today we got sent from the people from Asmoke their new one of their portable battery powered pellet grills, the Asmoke Essential. So I figured our first cook be something that I know how it turns out, to see how the grill, if the time is right and everything. So we have some cheese brats. Now you guys are wondering why we have this delicious cold Modelo right here. And that's because the Asmoke has a water tray, give a little bit of moist for your meat. Well, so these are beer brats. Instead of water, I'm gonna add some beer. So hopefully with all that, gives it some great flavor. I heard some good stuff about the grill, that it does produce great smoke. So we already did the burn off. So let me show you how this Asmoke portable grill, battery packed, see how it works. Let's take a look at this grill. So they're saying that the battery will last 10 hours. I think it just depends on the temperature you're using. The higher the temperature, the faster it's going to drain the battery. So what we're going to do here is, I like to cook the brats at 250. So we're going to cook the brats at 250. They normally take about an hour when I do them on my other smokers. So I'm going to put them at 250, put this in there. It should be about an hour. I'm excited to see if adding this into the water tray will add some more flavor into it. With that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Asmoke. All right, so here we have the battery, and as you can see, it's fully charged. Now let's go ahead and put it in. And then this is going to turn on. We already set the pellets in here. And might I say, the touchscreen is pretty nice, and the response it's great. And it tells you where your battery's at too over here. Press anywhere to start, and there you go. Go ahead and open it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it at 250. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a 250. It's kind of weird how it goes. 212, 230, 248. So we'll leave it at 248. Hit it, and there it goes. Now it needs a firmware update. I'm just having trouble connecting my phone to this, so I'll probably do a video on that, because I'm having a hard time connecting it. But once we figure it out, we'll do another video on how to get these guys connected. So we'll be back when it hits 248. All right, here we have it, 248 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and add these bad boys in here. Go ahead and close it up. Oh, and so now we gotta add our Modelo. Things right in here. Let's go ahead and fill it up. And there it is. Oh yeah. We'll be back in 1 hour. All right, so they've been there exactly 1 hour. We're gonna see how they're looking. So they still got a little ways to go. They're almost there. So we'll be back in another 15 minutes. All right, we just added another 15 minutes. Let's see how, oh, look at that smoke. We're right there. We're right on the money. Yep. Check this side here on this end. 62. 62. So I say we leave it for another 5 minutes. All right, the 5 minutes have passed and they're at 165. Let's go ahead and take them out and we'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it. So I took the bite and the camera wasn't recording. Wow. So before I let you guys know everything that I did, let me tell you something about this Asmoke Essential portable pellet grill, battery powered. So the battery is about 8 to 10 hours. That's how long it'll last. This cook took 1 hour and 20 minutes and all 4 lights were still on, so it didn't use a lot of battery. But we'll be testing it in longer cooks on the next video. It has 271 inches of cooking area, so not bad for a little portable pellet grill. And it has an effortless cleaning, so the cleaning is really easy. So I had no complaints on there. I was like, wow, it's clean, it's easy. You can fit 1 rack of ribs or 8 burger patties or 12 hot dogs in this grill. It has a 5-inch LCD display, 720p. You can connect it to your phone. I didn't do it in this video because I had a hard time trying to do it, but we'll be making another video where I'm going to show you how I got it connected, and then you have to update the firmware. There's a firmware update on it. So once we do that, we'll see it probably run even more smoother than it is now. So make sure you guys check out the Asmoke portable pellet grill, battery packed. We're gonna keep doing a couple more videos to keep testing it out, but it's something perfect because summer's coming. You guys know we like to go camping or lakes, and taking something like this is always nice. So I added Dijon mustard, ketchup, and then we'll give it another taste again and show you guys my reaction. It's very good. You can taste a little hint of that beer that I put in there. Really nice touch that we were able to do that. Now, like if I was smoking some ribs, I would add applesauce to it. Let that help moisten up the ribs. So that's how I would do if I would do a rack of ribs. But having that on this portable pellet grill is a nice feature to it. So far everything is great about the grill. Like I said before, we're going to be doing some more videos on it, longer cooks. We're going to test that battery, see exactly how long it lasts. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, that like, and I'll see you guys next time.